Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix PC slower and more stuttery after Bluescreen in Windows 11, 10. First method is open any browser. Copy link from description and paste it. Download and install GeForce driver. Second method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.